At first glance, the house's design, with an X-shaped floor plan, may seem whimsical, but it is the result of a careful analysis of the site, its surroundings, and the project requirements. The plot where this residence is located lies within a golf club, measuring 31 meters wide and 77 meters deep, with no trees within its boundaries. Both neighboring lots are already developed, and the rear of the property offers a direct view of the golf course. The pursuit of privacy and a seamless connection with vegetation and the sky is emphasized throughout the design. From the entrance, large stone slabs guide visitors through dense greenery, framed by two solid walls of different materials. Upon crossing the front door, one encounters the central courtyard, a space featuring a tree, plants, and open sky. As one moves toward any part of the house, this relationship with nature is consistently present. The spaces are organized into four main groups: a private family area, a shared family area, a social area, and a garage and service sector. Each group forms one leg of the X, interconnected through the central courtyard, which facilitates circulation and relationships between spaces. The materials used, concrete, wood, and stone, were left in their natural state, complementing the vegetation, light, and reflections to enhance the architectural experience of the residence. Different angles of the openings provide each area with direct garden access. The dining and living rooms, along with the barbecue area, open to expansive green spaces with views of the pool and golf course. Bedrooms open to private, contained spaces with protected views, while the kitchen connects to a mid-sized garden shielded from neighbors. All spaces have direct connections to the outdoors, where boundaries are defined not by walls, but by the surrounding landscape.